Well, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. For today, I'm going to show you how to replace a drip tray on a grill. This is a Nexgrill 5-burner model. Alright, well here we are. We're looking at our Nexgrill 5-burner gas grill. And we've had it for about 5 years now. We got it from a big box store, and it's really done us well. Let's take a look inside and see how it's held up. Now we probably grill maybe about 5 or 6 times a year, so the burner covers are in pretty good shape. But what's not in good shape is the oil catch tray and cup underneath. So let's have a look at that. Alright, so what they got a nice little catch tray here for any grease that comes along. You can see that this is pretty well on its way out. It's got rust all around it and actually degrading. So that just goes in there like that, and then the whole tray just lifts and then comes out. And you can see it's got rust on it. So the idea is today we're just going to go ahead and replace this. Alright, so replacing this, what I did is I ordered a new replacement tray. Now there are two kinds that I saw. There's the regular type, galvanized steel, and then there was a stainless steel version. It was about $10 more. Instead of like about $29, it was about $39, or actually the discount code it was $35. So that's the one I ended up getting. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. Okay, it's another project. Alright. So here it is. It's a replacement grease tray set, and it's adjustable for different width grills and different depths also. Okay, so let's see what's in the package. Alright. I mean, one thing I don't like right away is, and I know why they do it. They try to make it nice and well preserved, but looks like they've got this blue adhesive tape all around everything. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is remove all that. So it comes with a nice set of instructions on how to assemble the different parts. It looks like, what about 6 main pieces. So you have the main tray up here, a couple of mounting points for the drip tray underneath, and instructions on how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my own off camera and show you what I have once everything's assembled. Well, alright, I've got my tray all assembled. It was basically, there were 4 screws on the bottom to hold the drip tray or the catch pan in place, and I've tightened those up. And then there's 8 screws on the top here that I just kind of loosely fit. And then what I've done is I've gone over to the back of the grill and make sure that this fits. But it is fully adjustable. You have like a range that you can go with, and it seems to work fine. So now all I'm going to do is just go around and tighten up these little bolts. So I'm just going to go around now and tighten up these nuts real quick. They're 5/16 heads. So a couple things I like, the nuts that they give you are kind of like a locking flange on here, so as you tighten them down, they kind of should hold in place. I mean, it's not the best, but for an application like this, it's done well. I do like the fact that you know, it's a heavier tray than went in. I already did tighten these guys down. I made sure my tray fit. Okay, and that's just going to hang in there upside down. All right. So let's have a look at how that that goes in. All right. So as I said before, I came over here while these 8 bolts were nuts were loose, and made sure that it fit. And it's just a matter of sliding it in and it catching. Come down here and show a little closer how that goes in. Okay. And then for the catch pan, as I said, that goes in up here. And it's just like that, but it's pretty secure, it's pretty solid. I like the fact that it's a stainless model, and probably going to hold up a lot better. All right, so I was pretty happy with that. That went pretty well. You can kind of see it inside there. You know, it went well. Now, my burner covers are still in good shape, as are my burners. I did check that earlier. In your case, if your burners are going bad, there are kits for the burners and the burner covers that can also go with fix like this. To do that, it's pretty simple. I think it's something a homeowner can do on their own, and you know, get some more life out of their grill. I mean, these grills, you know, I got them from like I said, home, you know, one of the big box stores, Home Depot or Lowe's, and you know, reasonably priced, and you know, like everything else, nothing lasts forever. So this is a good way to get that extra life out of it. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now.